our people at gatherings that we are no longer holding elections in 2028. These are critical announcements on matters that we as a presidium and central committee have never discussed on, or did we pass a resolution in the last 2022 Congress? Number 8. The reality which is clearly emerging is that the 2030 agenda is being funded and driven by unknown criminals who have presently looted our state coffers with impunity and now using these resources was capture and control of our party is unprecedented and deeply worrying. Number 9. We surely cannot fold our hands and watch these criminals like Kodagwashita Gure, Wikinochi Vice President of Panya Delishungwa Guaya, amongst others, structures in the process destroying our party. Number 10. Comrade President, these criminals and their associates have been engaged in a brazen and systematic campaign and stealing from our government, and to date they have stolen more than 3.2 billion US of government funds through the stealing of our 1.9 billion US dollar from the Ministry of Finance to Kodagwashita Gure for selling a 35% stake in Kuvimba Mining House, the stealing of state assets like Sadawana mines at the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Great Dyke investments by Kodagwashita Gure, and the inclusion of these assets in this fraudulent stealing of our 1.9 billion. The actions of these criminals, which also include turning your private office, Comrade President, into a place where key government decisions are made, demand that strong action be taken immediately to preserve our party and stability in our country. Toma developments and Pangwa in and once people they are coming back to the dossier Pangwa which was right by VP Constant in 2025. Pangwa yatona kuti yakuya Pangwa achiri fiacho VP Constant angazoona kuti kwatiri uko akuna chimuko. Pina kuma section medu dzafundo enyima kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi.